What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to animate text in Canva. Now I'm going to keep this super basic because I'm sure that you're more stylish with your text and your design more than I am. I'm going to just simply click on text and I'm going to choose something just general, right? So let's take, for example, I need to go back here. Let's take this. Let's say I want to animate this text. The text is here. I just need to go ahead and select it. And the upper part, you have these options. You see animate. Simply click on animate and here you have a ton of different animation that you can use, right? So have a look at that, guys. There's so many animation that you can actually use. You can just go ahead, find something that works best for you, and you just need to click on it and let it go. So I'm gonna go ahead and find something that could work well, or let's say don't look so bad with the design. So let's use, for example, this kind of cool. Wow, that's nice. Let's use this. So let's say I want to animate my text like that. I just need to click on it and my text is animated. And that's how easy it is, guys, to animate text in Canva. Very easy and very simple.